When it comes to AI tools for SEO content creation, two of the most popular names you'll encounter are Jasper and Surfer SEO. But which one is actually better for you? In this video, we'll break down how these tools stack up against each other and why. After trying them both, I'm going to recommend a different solution altogether. Stick around because at the end, I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial that you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk about Jasper. Jasper is one of the most well-known AI writing tools in the market. It's designed to help you create high-quality content quickly. What's great about Jasper is its ability to generate text that's both engaging and human-like. Whether you're writing blog posts, product descriptions, or social media copy, Jasper makes it easy. It's got some handy templates that can help with SEO-friendly content creation, especially for keyword optimization and content structuring. However, while it's good at generating text, it lacks deeper, more advanced SEO features that some users may need. Next thing we need to consider is Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO takes a different approach. It's a fully SEO-focused tool that helps you optimize your content by giving you data-driven recommendations. With Surfer, you get a clear idea of how your content should be structured, what keywords to use, and even the right word count for ranking. It's ideal for people who are focused on making sure their content ranks well in Google search results. However, one downside is that Surfer doesn't have the same natural language generation capabilities as Jasper, so you might still need a separate tool for writing content. The third thing worth mentioning is that both tools integrate with Google Docs, which is super convenient. But while Jasper's integrations feel seamless, Surfer's integrations are more focused on SEO features like keyword research, which may not always be necessary when you're just looking for content creation. So, if you're primarily after creating content and not just optimizing it, Jasper might have the edge here. The fourth thing I want to bring up is user-friendliness. Jasper has an intuitive interface that's easy to use, even for beginners. You don't need to be an expert to get started. On the flip side, Surfer SEO can feel a bit overwhelming at first because it packs in so many SEO-focused features. You'll need some experience with SEO to fully appreciate all the functionality Surfer offers. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Jasper's plans can get a bit pricey, especially if you need more than just the basic features. You're paying for quality, but it's not the most budget-friendly option out there. Surfer SEO, on the other hand, offers plans based on your specific needs, and while it's not cheap either, the value it provides in terms of SEO is undeniable, especially if you're heavily focused on ranking. At the end of the day, both Jasper and Surfer SEO are powerful tools for SEO content creation. But after trying both of them, I've found that there's a better alternative for the goal of SEO content creation, one that combines the best of both worlds: AI-powered writing and SEO optimization. If you want to try it out for yourself, make sure to check out the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. I recommend giving it a shot. It's the one I'll be using moving forward, and I think you'll love it too. Don't miss out.